Have group members who miss notices because they aren't on band? Add them as a subscriber. Tap the member list in your band. Tap Add Subscriber. Add their information and tap Add. Once added, subscribers should appear at the bottom. To send an alert to subscribers, tap Send an alert to subscribers. Select the members you'd like to receive the alert. Notifications will be sent through SMS. Don't have a phone? No worries. Subscribers can also be notified through email. Don't worry about members missing notices. Add them as a subscriber and keep your whole group updated. Band. Organize your groups.